How to activate Joker MasterCard online. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. For this, open up a browser and search for Joker credit card and give it a search. You have to select on the first suggestion given to you. Now right here at the very top, you should find an option called Register Card. To activate your Joker MasterCard, tap on Register. From the option of Check Balance or Register Card, select Register Card option. Now you have to enter your card number, expiration date and a 3-digit CVV. Once you enter it, tap on Register Card. You will have to upload some of the verification documentation to confirm that it is really you. Now if you face any of the difficulty regarding the activation of your Joker MasterCard, you can go ahead and check out the help and support for your Joker MasterCard. If not, you can head back from your Joker MasterCard webpage. In here, you will see the Contact Us bubble. Just go ahead and select the option of Contact Us. You'll be able to chat with an agent or a bot, or even it will give you a toll-free number. Just discuss a solution with the agent to activate your Joker MasterCard. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.